We are in Pebble Beach. They got a hotel here. That one. Looks old, but seems alright. And you got a parking fee. Mount Bagarabon Resort Guests. So this is what is called Bagarabon Resort, Mabua, Surigao City. Hotel guest is this?
Hello.
We
can get a drink here, can't we?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Helmets are fine.
So this is the Bagarabon Hotel in Pebble Beach. We come and have a look. That's where the beach is. Looks nice. Oh, they got accommodation here. Would have been nice here. Yeah. Just say we need to stay in it's nice to stay by sea.
I like the wood carving.
Look at that's accommodation. I bet that's more expensive. Yeah, they got lots of board
Shame
carving.
we didn't pay for another night at the other place, isn't it?
I know. We could have come here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Free 2 hours video okay. You got free 2 hours video okay. Wow, look at that. Look at this woodwork. My gosh. It's amazing. Look at that. It's amazing. So pretty. Look at that. Wow. Look at that one.
Oh yes sir, what do you want? We have
But nagsiserve ka mo
we
dito.
have shake sir.
Oh,
There
You
you
want
go.
mango shake, pineapple
Yeah.
shake,
Ha?
avocado.
Pwede mag-upo din sa hut niyo? Cottage
Sa
niyo?
Mag-cottage ka mo ma'am or
Mag-drink sila.
ano lang ma'am and then lakaw na. Sige ma'am.
Magtingin lang kami kay iyo beach.
Sige sige.
How
ma'am.
much is the room?
We're booked in Surigao City.
Yeah.
We're from Dolores.
Di ka,
And so we come down here, but we didn't know. All this.
Ma'am, we have a promo ma'am now in our room. And then good for 2 ma'am. Now, the regular price is 2,400. We have a promo, less 30%. The room is good for 1 night is 1,680.
Oh,
in
that's
1 night. Free
good.
breakfast and then free.
oh my gosh, you
use
should
our
have...
pool.
But we can come here on out because we're going down.
Until
to
when
the
is
bay.
your promo?
Wala pa ano ma'am. Wala pa ma'am advice.
No
po
date?
hanggang-
Oh,
date,
sige
ma'am.
kasi babalik kami. Mag-iikot lang kami ng Mindanao.
Okay.
Tapos balik kami dito. Papuntang
We have a phone number here,
summer.
ma'am.
Okay.
Para kung gusto niyo
That's
magpala
good.
sa room ma'am,
Okay,
just
yeah.
call us ma'am.
Yeah.
This one ma'am, sir 917.
Okay. Yung dyan, mas mahal dyan.
Good for
May
5
from.
person,
Isa,
ma'am.
no.
Bali, 2,520 na in promo price.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yes, we have a good for 3 down front in my front
Yeah.
in the beaches, sir.
Yeah.
Which is 2,380. Good for 3 person.
With promo.
Promo price, ma'am.
Okay.
The regular price is 3,400.
Oh my gosh, that's quite
Let's
good
have a
promo. Okay, let's
We
have a
love your
shake.
woodwork as well.
Yeah, it's very
What do
nice.
you want to order shake, sir?
I might have a mango shake. If that's okay. In fact, have
My-
you got Buko?
Boko shake. No, oh, that's the nice one.
Mango shake.
Mango.
Mango, yung sa'yo, ma'am.
Ano at iyo? Pineapple shake.
We have pineapple, avocado, watermelon.
This one, if you want.
Yeah.
We can come here tomorrow. We're not in a
This
rush,
is
we're not
just
in
to
deadline,
be,
are we?
Yeah. Oh, look, the iron.
They don't sell mugs here, do they?
What?
Mugs.
Mugs? I don't see any. I love their chairs, wooden chairs.
Careful, some of them you can't sit on.
Oh, can you?
Like that bench you can't. And you can do that.
Look at this. This is part of a museum. Do not touch. Oh, look at that, boys. Have you seen? Yeah. Have you seen the knives? All sorts of knives. look at the sundang.
They haven't changed, have they?
I love the chairs and tables. Look at that. So cute. I know. Do not touch. A cannon. Wooden cannon. Yeah, it is wooden cannon. Sewing machine. Singer. This hotel is quite nice, interesting. Look at the chandelier. It's Carabao horn. It's pretty. All the woodwork. It's really nice. And hopefully we can stay here. Not sure where. This is quite nice place. And nearby the sea. Hello! Hello, Chuchu! Sweet Hatasha. So this is a family cottages, family rooms here by the seaside, seafront. So this is the famous People's Beach. They got so many peoples, plenty of peoples. Look at the peoples. If I could bring some. Look at them. So pretty. It is very nice people. I wonder where the peoples come from. So pretty peoples. Look at that. Oh, the sun. Hello, Chuchu. What are you doing? Hey? Oh my God. We must be the end then. The sound is musical. Oh, it's so nice to swim. This is definitely a pretty place to stay. Look at that kid enjoying himself. We are in Surigao and I'm in Pebble Beach. Look at the pebbles. Ang ganda dito. Parang gusto kong magdala ng panghilog. Tingnan mo to. Ang sarap ikudkud sa katawan nito. Tanggal ang duling. Look at that. And the sound when you walk. It's pretty. This is nice. Bahala na ako umitim. Basta nandito ako sa may pebbles. Umitim lalo. Medyo maputi naman. Ito, nasa Pebble Beach ako. Ano ba yan? Ay, ang bigat. Dadalhin ko ito isa-isa. Hala, ang ganda nito. Oh, panghilog. Ayan, ang ganda. Visit Surigao and their Pebble Beach. Wow, ang init. Oh my gosh. So this is part of a museum as well. Hidden gym. I'm not sure about what their room likes.